top of the morning. This thing been hibernating, man. I ain't drove this thing in about 2 weeks, man. It's been just sitting. Time to install the cat delete pipes on the gt500. Hopefully this thing ain't too damn loud, because we know how Mustangs can be, and I'm not that guy. I'm usually a LS guy, and I love, like, you know, chop sound and cam and stuff like that. You can obviously do like ghost cam stuff on here too, but you know, Mustangs tend to be really fucking loud. Now, don't get me wrong, this thing gonna be quick, it's gonna be fast, but I just don't want it to be loud. Luckily, we do have the active exhaust, and we can go in quiet mode. As you guys seen from the last video, putting that thing in quiet mode for that quick second that he showed, it really quiets the car down, so you can't really hear it too loud. And then when I want to get crazy, I can open it up, which is actually nice on these newer cars for them to have that. Pulling up to the shop now. Let me get over here real quick. What'd you get done to your exhaust? So you got the True Tools? Yeah, but it sounded good, man. Yeah, sounds good. Yeah, you need that cam. With the way your exhaust sounds now, if it was chopping, it's nasty. You know, if you guys remember, I did have an SS just like that too, a black one with a nasty cam on it, man. But that thing sounds pretty good now. He just needs a cam on that thing with that exhaust setup, and it'll sound pretty crazy. Man, we got her all pulled in. I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick before and after of the exhaust sound real quick. Before the pipes and after. Damn, that thing looks good in here, and this little lighting they got in here, man. You can see the little sparkles in there. All right, so we're gonna do a normal mode. Go to sport. Okay. And then we got track. Track, okay. So it's pretty good, tamed. Now that's before the pipes, man. So once we install those cat deletes, probably gonna be a lot louder. We got the pipes on there, Shifteck cat deletes on there. Look at those welds, man. Super clean. Hopefully it ain't too damn loud, but it looks good, man. Bolted right on, no welding. Everything looks pretty good. Got the O2 sensors on there. First start up with the Shifteck pipes.
Vroom, vroom, vroom. Oh, pop, 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 zap.
Ha! Got him!
That's quiet mode. Is that quiet mode? That's track mode. Damn. Hit it again. Sounds good though. It's no raspy. Yeah. Shit. Oh yeah, that sounds good. Shit. That sounds way better than I thought it was. That's quiet mode. Oh. Huh? See if we get that supercharger one. And sport. That's sport. Sport. Damn. Big difference. All right, now you can go track. Damn. Ooh-wee. Feel it in my chest. I feel it in my chest, boy. Damn. Appreciate Charlie for the work, man. If y'all need any exhaust work, y'all know where to come. I've had plenty of my subscribers coming out to the shop, man. I appreciate that, you know, coming by, supporting. Y'all always bring support to the shop, man. And don't forget, they are opening up a new shop as well. So stay tuned, man. Y'all come over here and get y'all work done from the shop. Y'all see the type of quality work we got here. Do it right the first time. That's right. Do it right the fucking first time. You know, y'all seen that exhaust from that Camaro. Don't do that. Now, I know I got to get the chop on here for y'all one time. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. God damn me. Okay, Shelby. Acting up, boy. Woo-wee. I definitely feel that shit, man. We was spinning nasty. We definitely gonna need tires when we add the other mods on here, of course, because we're gonna be well around that 1,000 horsepower mark. But guys, like, that was extremely nasty. So right now we don't have a check engine light on. Got the pipes on there. It sounds perfect. Sounds real good. Man, the back pressure is nasty with the Catless, guys. You can hear the pops. It sounds real good. Wow, that's perfect, dude. It's not too loud. Wow, dude. Like, I'm surprised. I'm not gonna lie. You know, it's a Mustang, so I kind of expected it to be a little raspy and loud like the 5.0s are, but at the same time, I had to realize that this is a Shelby, man. It's the Predator motor. This is not the same engine that's in the 5.0s. So, you know, it does have its own tone. They do have more of an exotic tone to them, and this thing sounds amazing. This is in sport mode. It's not even track, so, and sport sounds good. Quiet mode sounded great. So stay tuned, man. The next video, probably gonna do some first pulls, like actual pulls in this car. I am pleasantly surprised at how good it sounds, man. Perfect combination. You know, if you don't want to be too loud, sport mode seems to be a little bit loud after driving a little bit, but it does have a nice tone to it. It's not super raspy. But if you do want it to be crazy, nice sounding, perfect, quiet mode is great now. Quiet mode has a good tone to it, but it's not extremely loud. It kind of sounds like what sport used to sound like, but a little bit more deeper and aggressive. So, you know, we have the custom X-pipe, the dual resonator deletes, and then we have the Shifteck cat deletes on here now. It's definitely making a lot more power. I can definitely feel that. The car feels like it's breathing a lot more, just freely, easily, and sounds really good. So appreciate you guys' support. Appreciate y'all swinging by the channel, liking the video, subscribing if you haven't subscribed. I know some of y'all ain't subscribed, but share the videos. I appreciate it. Follow me on TikTok, Heard the Nerd. Check out my business page, Stealth Detail. I do have a website, stealthdetail.com. I have my own products on there now. My wheel cleaner is on there. My interior cleaner is on there as well. So the interior cleaner, take care of your interiors, man. Y'all know we car guys, man. We got to support each other out here if we want to grow. So I really do appreciate that. And very humbly, I appreciate y'all guys. Peace out.